Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. I'm your host, P Fire, aka Peanut Butter, Smooth Not Crunchy. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Should we get into it? Let's do it. Okay, people, so today we have this 2019 Stone Island jumper, sweater, what do we call it? I'll just give you a little close-up on the bits. My bounty hunter shoulder piece, just give you bits, and let me step back. Alright people, so this is like I said, a Stone Island sweater, and it's in black, and as you can see, it's black. There's not really much to say other than let's get into the details, shall we? Let's look at the cuffage. So we've got these nice little ribbed cuffs here. We've got these nice little rib cuffs, thin ribbed with a bit of elasticine. As you can see, not too much space, but just enough space for the old wristage. You've got these really nice, you see this? That really nice panel there, which I think is just really, really tidy. Considering it's just a black jumper, there's not much really to talk about on it. Look, you got that nice little, it goes from here, this is sort of bit of the forearm, it's got that nice circular bit, it got little grooves there. It's quite tidy, this. I do like it. Just something different to sort of give it a little bit of character. And then of course equilibrium is a beautiful thing. You have the same on the other side. Again, it goes from the forearm bit there. Is that the forearm? This is the bloody, I don't know, the fat bit, the bingo wings. It goes from the bingo wings all the way to the forearm there. You also have this lovely panel here on the shoulder, like the bounty hunter panel bit, which I'll call it. And again, this is in a kind of, I don't know, not a nylon material, but that kind of material. I'm not the best with material, so I'm just going to say a nylon-ish material. And that goes from there all the way there. And it's got that little groove there, you know, just in case you wanted to, I don't know, put your finger in and rest it. It's not for that, but, you know, sometimes you've got to make these things up to act like you know what you're talking about. So you have that nice little groovage there. Of course, you have your standard Stone Island badge, which again, it's standard, nothing much to talk about other than hello badge, don't we like you? We do, we love you. And then I shall turn around, and as you can see, you've got that nice little panel like on the pink one that I mentioned before. This piece is from the spring summer range, and it's nice and warm, so it's not like you're really sort of heavyweight, but it is quite weighty, so you wouldn't, I mean, yeah, I mean, you know, with jumpers, obviously you can wear them depending on what your body temperature is like. You can wear them on their own, or you can wear them with a jacket. But this is a nice sort of weighty bit. It's not super weighty. I have jumpers, like I've got a Paul Smith jumper that is much heavier than this. But it's a nice, it is a spring summer piece. But again, you know, you could wear a couple t-shirts underneath and then wear this on its own, and it will sort of keep you warm. But it's not crazy thick. And that, guys, really is it. You have a nice ribbed hem. Shout out to my guy Tony. You have a nice ribbed hem here, again with a bit of elasticine. This is a large, and I wear a large or medium. Like I said, I've lost a bit of weight, so this still fits nicely. But could I go a medium? Possibly. But yeah, really nice. Now let's get into the second piece of today's showage. I'll be right back. So gang, here we have a Crinkle Reps NY jacket in black. I know I'm looking like Batman today. I'm all in black. Yeah man, let me just give you a little close up, you know what I mean, little toilage, you know how we do. This is one of my favorite pieces, I can't lie. It's really simple, really dope, but just, yeah, a really nice piece. So I've had this, I believe, I'm not sure what season this is, but I believe it's around 2017. I've had it since then, and yeah, ever since I bought it, I haven't really stopped wearing it. I wear this jacket quite a bit. It's my go-to, it's my run-around jacket. So let's start at the cuffage. As you can see, guys, a really nice thin ribbed cuff, not too much room here, just very nice sort of spacage. Going on to this Crinkle Reps nylon, I guess, material. I don't know if it's nylon, but we'll call it the Crinkle Reps because that's what it is. I'm not sure what it's made out of. And just give you the sort of twirly to the twirlage. Again, nothing crazy, no special panels. Same ribbed cuffs on the other side, otherwise they would be crazy. Why would it not be the same? Equilibrium, we love you, do we not? It's a beautiful thing. Now, the most exciting piece about this jacket is the placement of these zips. You have this, as I'm zipping up, you have this Ykk zipper right here with a nice little zip pull right there, which has now gone a bit curly. And on it, it says nada. It's just a simple zip pull. I thought it said Stone Island there. My eyes were deceiving me. But as you can see here, you have two panels which have these zips here, which I can pull down, and you can put, you can put £2 in there. That's what you can put in there. You think I make it out when I say you can put your gold and your silver in your pockets. Here's one for you and here's one for you. Now, of course, those are just pound coins, not to be confused with real gold and real silver. But these pockets are actually quite roomy, actually. They're quite roomy. Like, you can literally, I'm not even going to lie, you could probably put a few bits of silver. And, yeah, you could put a few bits of silver in there. Really, really sort of roomy pockets. Of course, you'd probably put your mobile phone or something really boring that other people would put. But as we're special in these parts of town, we put silver in our pockets. On the left hand side and on the right hand side, you have these two pockets, which again are very roomy, well placed, and good for walking down the street with your hands in your skyrocket. Oh Lord, come on, you already know this song by now. So yeah, really nice. And they have these sort of lace-like pull tabs, zip pulls, shall we say. I'll just give you a close-up of those. So they both have these lace-like zip pulls as shown here. Really sort of cute, really nice. You know what I mean? Yes, I used the word cute. So helps you to pull it down, nice and easy, lovely. And again, when you zip up, you have this panelled, you have this sort of, I don't know, this kind of canvas panel. I think that's another one for Tony. This canvas panel here. Shout out Tony Yates. He's given me a couple corrections, or should I say filled in, because I've just said I don't know what they are. Yeah, so you have these panel, and that goes all the way down to the bottom as such. So really nice jacket. You of course have your spare badge holder right there. On your left hand side, you have your labels, Certi logo at all, and then here you have your garment label telling you what it is. And as you can see, it says garment dyed Crinkle Reps NY, and there it tells you the treatments that it has gone through and what it allows you to do. It allows you to go invisible, it allows you to fly, and it also allows you to be impervious to pain. Now, if I were you, I would not test these out because I've just made that up, and we all know that sometimes I'm prone to hyperbole. So guys, that's what we have for you today. We call it a two for one, a two for Vandross. Never too much, never too much, never too much. Anyway, dum 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 dum. Guys, don't get me started. I know, I've lost the plot as always. Anyway, that is it guys. I've obviously got on my pretty green bucket hat, which you've seen before. Nothing much to say there. And yeah, guys, thank you. Please like, comment and subscribe. As always, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to share with your friends. I don't know what's in my eyeball there, but you know, I'll get it out. And yeah, as always guys, continue to watch, and I will continue to appreciate your viewership. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your boy P Fire, aka Purple Spitfire, and this has been Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Guys, as always, stay safe, be cool, and stay fly. Peace.